Hi friends, in this series we fly to Costa Rica, a country I've always wanted to explore. If you're new around here, my name is Dain. I'm a travel vlogger from the UK who quit his 9-to-5 to explore the world. I set up this channel to document my year away and inspire others to see the world. Come with me in this series as we explore the beautiful country of Costa Rica and everything it has to offer. From the luscious green jungles to the beautiful beaches, Costa Rica has it all. So hit that subscribe button for weekly travel adventures and you can expect more of this. Ready? Yeah, I think so. What's up, man? Do I need a... Buenos dias guys, welcome back to another video. We are starting today's video in Monteverde Cloud Forest, which is one of the main attractions here in Monteverde in Costa Rica. The last time I saw you guys, we were in La Fortuna. We'd done a few waterfalls, we'd done a few hikes. We're spending 2 nights in Monteverde. I think that's the perfect amount of time. We did originally book 3 nights, but then we realized we could sort of do everything in today, and then tomorrow we're off to Manuel Antonio. I'm out of breath already. Bit sad because the hanging bridges are actually closed because a tree fell on it, so that means we're not going to be able to do that. But we're just doing a 2-hour hike, and then there is a Hummingbird park at the beginning, which we'll do on the way out, and then later we're going to get ready for some extreme sport. I'm not sure if it's extreme sports, but we're going to Extremo Park to do some crazy zip lines. Oh my god! Some crazy Tarzan swings. Bit nervous, but just gonna do it, you know? The temperature here is definitely a lot more milder than in La Fortuna. I am wearing a jacket, which is very strange to me because I haven't worn a jacket in months, but I kind of like it. The hostel that I stayed in last night was called Outbox, which I will show you guys later. I had an amazing sleep. It's probably one of the nicest hostels that I've stayed in. Okay, so we have reached the first viewpoint and it is honestly so beautiful. Like what I'm staring at right now, it's a bit of a hill to get here, but the hike is really not that much. I've been in Costa Rica nearly a week and I'm yet to see any form of wildlife that isn't a bug. I'm kind of hoping today we see some monkeys, even a cool bird. I think one thing I would love to do in Costa Rica is just see a sloth cross the road. I think if I saw that, I'll be like, job done, mate. I think this might be one of the biggest leaves I've ever seen. This is when a big spider jumps out. Okay, it's all good. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. Hey, it's freaking amazing up here, but I'm literally getting eaten alive by these little things. Okay, let's go. Let's get out of here. It's too much for me. Ooh! Oh my god, bug. Just me freaking out with loads of bugs gonna eat me. I cannot decide, 'cause I'm sober tonight. So I'm gonna guess the reason this place is called the Cloud Forest is because we're above the clouds and we're in a forest. I'm gonna keep it real here. I would probably only recommend doing this activity if it's cloudy and if the hanging bridge was open, because it was $25 and essentially we've just walked around a really beautiful forest but haven't really seen anything and got eaten alive by bugs, so that's just me keeping it real.
It is, it's so beautiful.
It's so little.
Oh my god. Woo!
Just as all hope had gone with seeing any wildlife, we saw a small hummingbird park at the end of the trail. We stood there and watched as these magical birds fed and drank right in front of us. Okay, so we've just gone around the corner to the Hummingbird Cafe and it's so beautiful. I think that's definitely redeemed it. I wasn't totally thrilled with the Cloud Forest, but that was really cool. Just seeing these really cool purple and blue birds just almost levitating. It's pretty cool. We're gonna go back to the hostel now, so I will give you a little hostel tour. Hola guys, so we are back in Monteverde. We got a shuttle for $6 from the Monteverde cloud forest back to our hotel. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of this hostel because it's really, really lovely. I'll put on screen how much it is because I can't quite remember, but I am currently backpacking Costa Rica on a budget because it's one of the more expensive countries. You know, we've got to keep things on a budget. Behind me is the place that we're staying. It's called Outbox Inn. It's got some really lovely amenities. It's got a small, lovely kitchen on the outside with a little balcony, and it's just like overlooking a bit of a forest area. Had the comfiest sleep last night. I had three pillows on my bed, in my hostel bed. I've never had that in my life, but obviously no one wants to sleep with one pillow. I want to sleep with as many as possible. I want to sleep with as many pillows as possible, that is. And then there's a really nice lounge area, there's bean bags, there's Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is really good in this hostel as well. So if you're a digital nomad or you just need the internet, which we all do, I will also say they have a restaurant attached as well. And we ate there for lunch yesterday and the food was so good. It was like Middle Eastern, like falafel, very veggie friendly. Right now, we are getting ready. We've just had lunch and I'm so full, but I am ready. I think I'm ready to do a Tarzan swing. We're going to Extremo Park. There's like, it's like an extreme zipline place. I don't know why I agreed to do it, but you know, on this channel, we're just gonna do everything. These vlogs are all about showing you what there is to do in these places. So it is $55 and they pick you up from your hotel. They take you there as well, and then they return you later on. So I'm excited. Hopefully I don't vom because I'm just eating a massive sandwich. But I'm gonna get my stuff ready, switch over to the GoPro because, you know, can't really be flinging my camera around. I'm all kitted up, I'm ready to do whatever happens at this Extremo Park in Monteverde, Costa Rica. So it is $52 and I'm pretty sure it includes 7 zip lines. There's an extra bungee jump you can do for $40, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm not a crazy psychopath. Okay, so we've just been given the safety instructions. Got slightly confused because the guy was like, you hold him with the back hand. And I'm like, you're not gonna lose the skin of your hands by doing that. But I'm here with Malik. He was in the other video. Malik, feeling nervous?
I'm very nervous. My heart is.
He's never done zip line before, so this is going to be fun for both of us. I've done many zip lines before, and usually it's a big health and safety talk before. This one was about 2 minutes before we were on our way through the jungle on the craziest zip lines I have ever been on. Wow, that was fun. This is a great activity to do with a friend, as some of the zip lines are double ups.
It's okay.
So I don't know if you just saw that. That was crazy.
It was because it was 2 of us.
Yeah, that was a really long one as well. Already loving this. On to the next one. Right, I feel like this is the long one because it looks freaking huge. Adios. Oh my god, that was intense. Really intense. So this Extremo Park in Monteverde, Costa Rica is known to have some of the longest zip lines in Costa Rica. I literally think one of them is 1 kilometer long, which is pretty long. And I think that 1 kilometer zip line was this one, as it went on forever and ever and ever. Oh my god. Hola. Oh my god. That was crazy. Oh my god. Whoa, that was intense. I think Malik's stuck. Oh no. They're telling him to turn around. This is entertaining. It was a pretty long zip wire, to be fair. But I was thinking, imagine just getting stuck in the middle of the zip line. How the hell would they get you down? There he is. Did you get stuck?
You got stuck in the middle.
You're joking. There he is. Malik just wanted to stay on the zip line. I literally was like, where are you?
In the middle.
In the middle.
I was looking down.
Oh my god. I literally had that thought because it was such a long zip wire. I was like, what would they do if you just got stuck in the middle?
They asked me to kind of, with my hand.
Oh, like pull yourself over.
Yeah.
Damn. Okay, so I think I may have jinxed it by talking about getting stuck because then this happened.
Okay. Oh, it's happening. Yeah, hold it back.
Oh no. Oh no. I think we're getting stuck. I think we're getting stuck. Oh no.
Okay, model down, yeah? Okay. Okay, I know this.
What? We're stuck.
Okay, keep your legs with me. Keep it secure. I'm gonna turn around, okay?
We're just stuck. Yep. Do I turn around? How do we turn around?
Okay, let's just do it from the front.
Okay.
Oh, front. Oh, but it's safer.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Oh, wait, don't do it too fast.
This is not what we planned. It was bound to happen at some point. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was insane. We basically got stuck in the middle. Not good. And we had to pull ourselves back up, but we made it, so that was like a good upper body workout that I didn't ask for. Okay, so I think we're about to go on the big daddy one. It looks pretty tall, it looks pretty mean. Let's do this. It's just called the Superman, which means we're going down on our front, which is kind of scary, but kind of exciting. I hope my GoPro's strapped on. Oh my god, what am I doing? What am I doing? The reason it's called the Superman is because they tie your legs and your hands behind you and you go head first, something I was not expecting. Get a load of this. Also, sorry for my language in this video, I just had to let it out, you know? I don't know what's happening right now.
How was it? Like the cowboy?
That was freaking crazy. I'm alive.
Yeah. Uno, kilometro, uno. What's your name, bro?
Dain.
Dain, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
My name is Mario.
Oh, nice to meet you, Mario.
Nice to meet you too, bro. You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay, first impressions. That was Jeffin' insane. I literally couldn't move anything. I thought I was gonna die, but we made it. I didn't die. I did the Superman. That was so good. I'm literally on a high right now. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. No,
Amigo, hold the cable on top.
that one was not my favorite. I'm normally okay with the dark, but that was some scary stuff. As soon as I went in, I realized, I thought it was just gonna be a tiny little tunnel. It was a massive tunnel. It was a massive tunnel. I'll probably just insert me screaming right now. Okay, this is it. This is the last one. This is the scariest one. This is the Tarzan swing. So I think, no, I know I'm gonna get suspended and then just gonna let go and I'm just gonna swing everywhere. I think it's 90 meters, we can do that. This channel was all about adventuring, saying yes to as many things as you can and getting out your comfort zone. I'm really scared right now, if I'm honest. I'm really scared of what am I doing? I think Malik has said no to this one. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm so scared. It definitely takes a lot to scare me, but this Tarzan swing definitely did. It was more the unknown, but I like to live life following this rule. Try it once. If you don't like it, you can at least say you've tried it. That, however, led me to be on this very platform. Okay, I think it's go time. Are you scared, Malik?
I am very scared. I'm just questioning whether I should.
But we're gonna do it. We're both gonna do it. We're here. It's the last one.
Look, if they make us do it at the same time,
Yeah.
then yes. Otherwise,
Right, it's my turn. I'm scared. My heart is racing right now.
Your name?
Dain.
Dain. Where are you from?
England.
England. Ese viene por arriba. Hágame caso. Hey.
Hola.
Hi, man.
Hey. Okay. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah,
Ready?
I think so. I think so. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look up, man.
Okay.
Pura vida.
Pura vida. That was so good, but my GoPro just died. I'm really sad you guys missed that. Literally, as I was going down, my GoPro died. But I made it, and it was so much fun. There he goes. Wow. I literally have a bit of adrenaline. I'm like, I want to do that again. Like, I just want to do crazy things like skydiving. Comment down below an airplane if you would do this freaking jump. I absolutely loved this experience. Flying through the trees hundreds of meters in the air was so freeing. The guys at Extremo Park were so great. I felt like I was in good hands the whole way around. If you ever find yourself in Costa Rica, definitely visit Extremo Park. And remember, if you're worried to do something, just close your eyes and say yes. Oh, so the time is 7 p.m. Just cutting some tomatoes for my dinner. Me and Malik are having pasta again because Costa Rica is so expensive to eat at. So this pasta with a bit of salad costs, I'd say $7 to make. So that's like $3.50 each. It's cheaper than like a $15 to $20 meal. So yeah, I had a really fun day today. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. So I keep putting vlog clips on my iPhone. Sorry about that, the pasta overflowed. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think the clip of me doing the jump is pretty funny. And I'll see you guys in Manuel Antonio. Yeah, we pretty much just watched sunset, now I'm making pasta. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Make sure you subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Take care and peace out. Oh, what's that?
10,000.
Oh, 10,000 each.
You've never seen it, have you?
I actually haven't, no.
Let's go.
Awesome. All in.
I can't see.
Oh no.
Yeah, do that, bend over. You can see a bit of your face, but not much. Like your nose.
So we've come to the Monteverde cloud forest. So we're going a bit deep dog right now. So behind me is the place that I'm staying called Outbox. Yeah. So